right, so our Jeep has been covered with plastic. Everything that we don't want sprayed with bed liner is covered. The floor's already been sanded. We already took the blower, blew all the debris out of it. Now it's time to wipe it down with some solvent so we can get everything prepped on the surface for primer. You can use any fast drying solvents like lacquer thinner or MEK or acetone. I actually have a bottle of MEK here, and I'm going to use a microfiber to simply soak the MEK on the microfiber so I can wipe throughout the vehicle. Good thing to have is some safety glasses. You see that I'm wearing them. I have on nitrile gloves, and I actually on my right hand where I'm going to use to wipe, I've got 2 gloves on for a safety barrier because MEK can wrinkle the glove. I also recommend that you put on a respirator so you do not inhale the fumes from the solvents. Make sure that you take safety precautions when you're doing this. It's just really important to keep yourself safe so that you don't inhale all of these toxic fumes and that you don't get this stuff on your skin. So it's time to get it wiped down so we can move to the next process of getting this Jeep complete. So in this process, I'm just going to wipe from front to back so that we can clean all the spaces that we're going to cover with liner.
Sure.